Alright guys, as you've seen, this video is going to be a little different from the rest because I have a 94 Yamaha 250 two-stroke that I've been rebuilding before we started, being consistent on YouTube. So today I'm trying to get some more stuff done, that way I could complete it, because it's almost done. All I need is those tires switched and the lever. As you've seen, I bought these levers, but it doesn't fit on the mounts, the lever mounts that was on the dirt bike. So I'm going to Fun Products right now in Goldsboro. I'm gonna see if they could switch these tires, and hopefully they have in stock a mount for this, so we could go ahead and get that done. But yeah, let's get to it. So this is when I first brought the dirt bike home, a 1994 Yamaha WR250 two-stroke. I was just trying it. It was way more work than I thought it was gonna be. And this is some before pictures. Then we started to sandblast all the parts and get them powder coated. A friend of mine / next door neighbor helped with that process because he knows what he's doing when it comes to that stuff. So yeah, we got them sandblasted, powder coated, the frame, the motor, the heads, all that good stuff. And then my dad started rebuilding the motor. Of course he would do it. I would know nothing about it. And I just bought new pistons, clutches, just the main stuff in the motor. Everything else looked good. Packed bearings, and started just slowly putting it back together. Got a new FMF exhaust.
It's flowing. Yeah. It's flowing. Yeah. Yeah.
So just like take off the spark, the top of it.
Yeah, the wire.
Alright, now just like put like soft kicks now.
Hey, that ain't bent in no different way or anything. Beauty's coming together.
I'm gonna just put the spark plug in.
They're gonna come out and they're gonna tell you, boy. They're gonna tell you what to do to get it started. Yo,
I mean, you seen me, I kicked it a few times.
Put it, and let's see what happens.
yo,
What?
Yo, put this.
now you wanna ride my
back
bike?
on, right?
Look,
Do you?
3 kicks already, Papa. My motor's not started. And it's not.
So everything should be on.
Gas is on, everything's on.
It's in neutral.
Hey!
¿Tienes even for that? It's not going up.
I don't know, but you know that bad boy start up, Sonny. It sound good.
A menos que no puede estar al revés.
Alright, it's out from the other side.
Cuddles.
Hammer. Yeah.
No.
Alright. You're gonna have to put this one on the same thing then.
Well, this one's different. See, it was at 12 and a half. I'm gonna fix this subframe. That way we can screw the seat and the end of the muffler. Got that pipe up there.
I'm taking it apart and putting it back together.
We got a piece of thing we put in there.
Hold on me.
It ain't the best well, but it's something to hold both the fender, the seat, and then the FMet exhaust. Got the levers and the lever mount. Look at these beauties. I forgot what even brand is this. Let's get it on. Clutch still don't work. It's too long. But I'm gonna try it, turn it on anyway. Shit. Yep. Alright guys, so right now, you know, it's always one thing after another, so the clutch cable, it's too long, it's not giving me enough pull, and I adjusted everything. I adjusted, you know, at this point, I know I put a strap right here just to try it, but it still didn't work. So this point, and I could adjust it right here, and I tried to, and I adjusted both of them, but it's still not giving me enough pull for the clutch. Right here, I know it's dirty because I think I need a new seal on that exhaust. but I mean, most of it's done. I just need to do the plastics and get a new seat cover.
No.
It'll be looking a lot better.
You're gonna get a new seat cover? That looks good.
No, it doesn't. I don't like that. That's like the alligator skin.
Yeah, exactly. You like mine?
Something like that is better.
Mm-mm.
Hey guys, if you made it this far, thanks for watching the videos. And we just want to let y'all know we're trying to do a little giveaway.
Ta-da!
These two water bottles,
Yeah.
designed by Sally herself.
Yeah, it has our YouTube channel name on it.
The only thing I did was help pick out the four-wheeler.
Kind of.
It's not much, but we wanted a couple of y'all to have something with our YouTube name. So to enter this giveaway, first you would have to be subscribed. And then
Share one of the videos that you like the most in our channel.
yeah, just share one of the videos that we've been posting that you like the most. Just make sure you tag me. It could be on Instagram or Facebook. And also comment down below on this video
Which one would you rather have?
the blue one or the mint one.
And we're gonna be choosing a winner on April 14th, which is in 2 weeks, right?
Right now.
Yeah, in 2 weeks. Because we're gonna be posting a video on April 14th, remember?
Stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
We're gonna
I'm
go
excited about
to another different ATV park we haven't been to. But this time we gotta drive a little further, about 3 hours from where we at.
We're gonna choose the winner. We're gonna do it randomly. So, and it's gonna be around 6 o'clock.
You heard it here on National Television Geographic. Like, share, and subscribe.